Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Brace. I'll be making this Canadian smoking leaf pattern monostrap dress in this tutorial. And in my last class, I already taught us how to go about the drafting. And in case you missed that, kindly watch so as to have a clearer understanding of how to go about it. This monostrap dress is what we're going to be making today. I used 3 yards actually to make my dress. You might be needing more than that. And in case you've not subscribed, kindly do that. And remember to click the notification bell as well. Like this video, share, and leave your comments in the comment section. Quickly, let's move to the cutting table. First, I'm going to be cutting out my basic bodies for the half length. And what I have here, the half length is 15 inches plus 1 inch allowance. Here is 16 inches. Underbust length is 12 inches and 8.5 inches for the armhole. But since it's going to be a sleeveless dress, I have my 7 inches where I'm going to be connecting, because we need to come up by either 1 or 1.5 inches from the armhole, depending on the size. Now I have the shoulder. Here I folded my pattern, and that's to fold that you need the bust circumference measurement divided by 4. Then you can add your seam allowance. I added 2 inches to mine. The bust circumference 36 divided by 4 plus 2 is 10 inches, which I already folded. So I have my shoulder divided by 2, which is 7 inches, and here, which is the 8.5 inches, I have my bust circumference measurement plus 4 inches, then with 2 inches seam allowance. Now here is my underbust length, which the underbust circumference measurement will be taken below it, and that is underbust circumference measurement divided by 4 and your seam allowance. I added 2 as well. So we are going to be connecting from the bust to the underbust circumference, then the armhole, I have 1 inch from this point, and I'm going to be connecting the armhole from the 7 inches because it's a sleeveless top. Now here is our okay, we are going to still connect the bust. Here is a basic bodice which I am going to cut out. This is going to be for the front, and we'll place this to cut for the back as well, but the back is going to have a zipper allowance. So all you need to do for the back is just add your 1 inch or 1.5 or 2 inches for your zipper allowance. So now here's the pattern we're going to work with. In my last tutorial, I explained how to go about this, the drawing and drawing it on the fabric. Here we have our 1 inch column, our 1 inch box, and the pattern. You have your first line, you leave the next, you move to the next one, you leave the space, the next one. So after drawing out this pattern on the fabric, which I have already done, you can watch my last tutorial so as to know how to go about this. Here is how we are going to start holding. You're going to start from this point, from the first line. I'm going to secure this, then I'll connect with this, and you make sure you pull the thread so that you can have this result. I am also going to bring this and pull. I am also going to bring this and pull. So that's how we're going to continue. Then after we are done with this line, the next line, we are going to start from the base. We're going to start from the base on the next line. So let us start. First we need to secure, then connect it just the pattern you've drawn on your box, and pull. Make sure you secure the thread. Now I'm going to pick, so I'm not going to pull this. I am not going to pull this, you can see. So just connect to the next box and secure. Then you follow the pattern on the box, which means we are going to pull this. Secure your thread. Then the next line, I'm going to connect the line and secure the thread. This is the pattern on the box. I'm going to follow the pattern and I'll pull. You're going to continue the same process until you're done with the line. I'll follow the line to connect. Make sure when you are connecting to the next box, you don't pull. This is wrong. Don't pull. After you secure, you then pick the pattern on the box. You follow the pattern, then you pull. Now, having done all that, here is what the results is going to look like. After doing this, we are going to place our pattern. We still have one thing to do on the pattern. Now, having done with this, I'm going to move to my pattern. Here, since it's going to be a sleeveless dress, I am going to subtract 1 inch from the shoulder. Also, I am going to be bringing out the neck width and the depth. So I'll be using 3 inches for the width and the depth of 5 inches. Here on the shoulder, I am going to come down by 1 inch to form my slants. And it means our new shoulder. So it means we're going to connect the shoulder now. But if you're going to attach your sleeve to the dress, if you're going to attach a sleeve to the dress, it means you're still going to maintain your 8.5 inches as the armhole, and this is still going to be your normal shoulder. So you're connecting your armhole to your 8.5 inches. But since it's a sleeveless top, I am not going to use as 14 inches. That's the reason for reducing one. And I also came up by 1.5 inches. Here is going to be a new armhole. And we're going to slant the shoulder. And here is going to be our neck design. Just connect your round shape to cut. Having done this, we are going to open it, and to whichever angle you want your monostrap, either to the right or to the left, we are going to connect now. From this is the length of our neckline, which is 5 inches. I'm going to connect from this point to meet my armhole. So if you want it to the left hand side, it means you go this way, and we are going to be cutting out this. And if you want it to the right hand side, if you want it to the right hand side, it means you'll be coming towards this end. So whichever angle you want it, you're good. Now what I have here is my front pattern. You're going to place this on the back. This is my back pattern. Remember, we added our zipper allowance, so you need to fold in that first. Fold in your zipper allowance, then we're going to place this on it. Alright, so like I said, we need to first fold in the zipper allowance, and here is the back pattern. I'm going to be placing the front pattern on it, and I'll be cutting out the same thing that I have here. And I want mine to the right hand side, so I'm going to maintain this just like this, and I will be tracing it out. Having done that, I am going to place my pattern on my smoked fabric to cut, which is the front. So I'm going to place this pattern on it. But it's going to be slanted. I want it in a slant form, not in a straight form. If you want it the straight, no problem, you can go ahead. Now we have the front and we have the back. The next thing I'm going to be doing is to join the shoulder and the base. Here is the base for both the front and the back. So after bringing out the base for the front, you can bring it out on your pattern. I am also going to place that on my fabric, on the smoked material, and I am going to bring out, the shape of my the base of the dress. So that is what we're going to do now.
Action.
So we have front and back for the base, and the half length, which is the front and the back as well. So this is how it's going to come out. You can attach the half length, just join front to front, then back to back, fix your zip, and bring out the side shape. And also on the neck, I am going to use my bias to turn in the neck, and that is going to be the end. So we'll show you the outcome as soon as I'm done. Now here's the final result of our dress. You can as well make the same thing for the back, but here this is what I have for the back, and here's the front. Don't forget to like and share this video. Click the subscribe button if you are yet to do that. In my next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you another design of this Canadian, and what I'll be making with it is going to be a padded blouse, and it's going to come out so beautiful. So I'm sure you don't want to miss out. So go ahead and make yours till I see you next class. Bye.